Hi everybody, and welcome back to High Heels in the Kitchen. My name is Priscilla Priest and I'm your host. Today I will be showing you how to cook with an ancient grain called kamut. We'll be doing a smoky Gouda Kamut Pilaf. So this is how kamut looks before we go ahead and sprout it and boil it. That's what we'll be using, 1 cup of raw kamut, before pre-sprouted kamut. We'll be using some smoked paprika, a smoky Gouda cheese. I smoked some jalapeños, and we have fresh thyme, garlic, 1 cup of green bell peppers, 1 cup of tomatoes diced, and 2 cups of onions diced. We also have our fresh cracked pepper, our sea salt, and our olive oil. So let's make this recipe that your whole family can enjoy. First, we start off by sauteing our onions with about 3 tablespoonfuls of olive oil. Add in a little salt and pepper. Next, we're going to add in our green bell peppers, then our thyme and garlic on top. Add the roasted jalapeños, smoked paprika. Keep stirring. Add in a little bit more salt and pepper at this point. Now, finally, we're going to add our tomatoes. Stir everything together and let them cook together on medium heat, covered for about 10 minutes or until they're tender. So now we're going to remove the habanero and thyme sticks. Add in the kamut, which we soaked overnight in water and boiled already. So I want to remind you how important it is to soak your grains overnight, your whole grains overnight. It's very important for your digestion. Stir in the kamut to mix with our onions, our peppers, and tomatoes, along with a 1/4 cup of water just to moisten it a little bit at this point. Keep stirring. Turn the stove off. And now we're going to finish with the grated Gouda goat cheese. Use about 1/2 cup of cheese. Stir it to make sure the cheese is completely melted. Plate it and serve with a few sprinkles of the goat Gouda. And add a little extra love with a garnish of parsley and serve. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this episode. Please subscribe to our channel, JBWEBTV.com. And remember to share this video with your friends and family.